Hey guys, it's Shannon, and please ignore how crappy I look right now. I just got home from the pool, and when I walked up to my front door, I found this little FabFitFun box. It's upside down. This little FabFitFun box sitting on my porch. So I figured we'd open it, because I want to know what's in it. So for the summer box, it is supporting the Global Gift Foundation. It's Girls in Action Alliance with Eva Longoria Foundation. So, the box is super pretty, as it always is. I love it. And before I open this, I should probably take a thumbnail. So give me 1 second. We good. Alrighty. So we're going to open this. And again, sorry I look so trashy. I didn't expect to come home and film a video. So. Ooh! It's pink inside. It's so pretty. It's really tropical. I love it. Alright, here's my magazine. And of course, as always, you get the HelloFresh gift card, which I think I might use mine this time. I never use it because mine's broke, but got a little bit extra this month, so I might go back to using my FabFitFun. I miss it. Alrighty. What's in the box? So, this quarter's box values between $269.95 and $467.95. So, let's see what's in here. I did my selection so long ago, I forget what I chose for things. So I'm excited. I'm just going to leave it sit on the floor and just pull it out without looking, so we can be surprised together. Ooh. Okay, so this is from Intelligent Nutrients, and it's Plant Cell Science. I can't speak. This is a refining micro polish. And this is the box. Let me see if I can find it on here. Where is it? Where is it? Am I blind? The answer to that is yes. I need my glasses changed. It's literally not on here. Is there another page? There is another page. Alright. I found it. Alright, so this retails for $57. Gosh. Okay. So here's what it looks like. It's in a cute little bottle. It says, Intelligent is right. This unique formula is curated with plant jojoba beads, which are plant-based, biodegradable, and great for the skin. Just massage it gently into the skin and rinse to reveal refined pores and fresh, smooth face. So I am excited to try this. So it's basically an exfoliator. It says it's for all skin types, but it works best with oily or dry skin. And it's not tested on animals, so that's a major plus. So I'm going to put it back in this little box, and let's pull out something else. Okay, so this was one of the choices you could have selected from, but this is, I chose the mystery item. I forget what other items you could have chose with it, but I chose the mystery item. You can tell it's the mystery item because it's in a bag that says mystery item, or mystery choice. And all it says is, what could it be? A palette, trigger ball, or maybe a primer. We love a good mystery, and we promise this is a good one. $24+. So I got this Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy, and it's a cleansing oil. I've never tried cleansing oils before, so I'm excited to give it a try. I like how you can see the separation. I think that's really cool. And then you just shake it up, and it mixes all together. I'm excited to give it a try. I need a new cleanser, so It smells really fresh. Ooh. Drop the lid. Oh my gosh. I'm a mess. Let me put that little bag away. Alright. Next item. Ooh, this is from Grace and Stella, and it's a Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Now let me find it. Where is it? Oh, I found it. It's a 25. It retails for $25.95, and it says craving a midday refresher. Just a spritz of the rose-infused mist will leave you with a fresh and moisturized face. So, what is this packaging? What? Oh, there's tape around it. Okay, that's good enough. Ooh. My stepmom loves rose, like, facial sprays and stuff. So I might let her try it. I've never tried it, so I'll have to try it for myself. I want to try it. My face is, like, sunburnt on my cheeks. It is very, very cooling and refreshing. It smells really, really nice. You really get the scent of rose. I like it. And it's not like too powerful when it sprays out. It's not like, I'm trying to think. What is that other one? I tried a different kind of like facial spray. It wasn't rose though. And I forget the brand or anything about it. Like I threw it away. I hated it so much. But you sprayed it out and it just came out like in one like thick stream. And it like hit you in the face. Like a target. It was not nice. Alright, what's next? Ooh, we got something from Wish. It is a exfoliating foot mask. It says, get your feet sandal ready. Natural ingredients like willow bark extract and pumpkin seed exfoliant and polish for your softest feet ever. It retails for $32. And this is the packaging. I'm just going to smell it. I get a very strong coconut scent from it, honestly. Is there coconut in it? No. I don't think there's coconut in it, but to me it smells like coconut. I don't know. That's weird. I'm excited to try it out, though. Alrighty. Next, let's do this tiny box. We have from Invisibobble, the original duo pack, the answer to all your ponytail problems. The revolutionary hair tool provides a strong grip yet leaves your hair traceless. And it retails for $16. Trying to get it open. So it comes with 6 of these. I have really thick hair, so hopefully these will work in my hair. Because most of the time I have to take 2 hair bands to hold my hair. They seem really, really strong though. If you guys want a review on these with my super insanely thick hair, let me know. Because I'm intrigued as well as to how these will work with my hair and everything. It came in the colors Crystal Clear and To Be or Nude To Be. So I'm intrigued by these. Let me know, you guys, if you want like a review or something on these. Alright, let's do this next. This is the thing. I do remember picking this and I'm really excited about it. So this is from, where is it? It's the Vicks Paula Hermione Lotus Towel, and it says, Take it to the beach, lay out with it by the pool. Whatever you do, this blue Lotus Towel is perfect for all your summer adventures, and it retails for $50. So here's what it looks like all rolled up. I'll pop this open. I'll stand up and try to show it to you. Maybe. I don't know if I can show you like the full thing, but it's pretty big. But it like branches out to be like a flower. It's really pretty. I'm just gonna put it there because I have nowhere else to put it. I don't want to put it on my floor or my dog's gonna lay on it. And it will be all dirty then. And I don't want that. Alright. So next, I think this is on this page. Yeah. Alright, so then from Generation Clay, we have the Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Packed with Davidson Plum, the purple mask works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration, and it retails for $39. I'm gonna smell it. I like smelling masks. I don't know why. It doesn't smell bad. I do definitely get the scent of like plum. And it's definitely purple. I've never tried a purple face mask, so I'm intrigued to try it. I'm gonna be walking around with a purple face, like Thanos from the Avengers. Have you guys seen the new Avengers movie? I haven't yet. And my best friend has, and he keeps trying to tell me the details. And I smack him every time. Not hard, but I'm like, don't ruin it. I know basically how it ends, though. I just don't want him to know that. Because it's funny watching him get mad when he can't tell me anything. Anyways. Alright, so then from Jennifer, I'm going to say this wrong, Zener, I think is how you say it, jewelry. It's the Star Double Necklace. Comes in a little bag. It says Starlight, Star Bright. There are 1,000,001 ways to style a dainty, timeless necklace like this one. Retails for $50. Ooh. It's so cute. It's got two like little stars. Hold still. You see it? Alright. They're cute. I like it. I don't wear a lot of jewelry, honestly, but I want to start because I have a lot of really cute like jewelry pieces and I never wear them, but I need to. It's my goal for fall, is to wear more jewelry. Alright, so our very final thing, I think this is it. Yep. So the next thing that I'm most excited about, I remembered this in the towel. That was it that I remembered getting. And I'm really, really excited for this one. This is the XO Sienna Black Felt Letterboard. It says, from displaying your favorite quote to your to-do list, the felt letterboard comes with 189 letters, numbers, emojis, and symbols for you to spell out whatever your heart desires. Retails for $35. So this is the box. I like the colors. It's a really nice box, honestly. When you open it, you got a little bag to put all your letters and stuff in. All your letters in here. And then your little felt board, which I'm so excited to try. I wanted one of these so bad, and they were so expensive. Like, anywhere I see them around me, they're so expensive. And, like, this one's $35, but I paid, what is it, like $50 for the whole box. So, I mean, I definitely got my money's worth. So, some of them I've seen don't even come with that many letters. Like, they come with one of each letter and stuff, and then you have to buy separate letters. So, I'm like, this is a way, way, way better deal. And I'm really excited that I picked this. I had options with this one. I could have got a tote bag, the letterboard, or some bowls, or was a facial treatment mask. Oh my gosh, that facial treatment mask retailed for $160. That's so expensive. But yeah, I picked this because I've been wanting one for a long time. And I think, so my friend Alex, I think she has one. One of my friends has one, and she does really cute quotes with it and stuff. And I really, really like it, so I'm glad I finally have one. But yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want a review or any type of video with any other products shown. Let me know what you got in your FabFitFun box with your choices and stuff. And I think that's it for today's video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.